Hi everyone, this is a quick update on my card kit swap. It's still in effect. I am changing the rules just a little bit. If you want to participate and you don't make videos, you can participate and into the swap by emailing me at scoop71@yahoo.com. However, you do need to include like a picture, photocopy, directions, something on how to make your cards, since no one will be able to see a video on how to make that. So if you think that you can get those kits to me by April 1st with $3 for postage, then you can participate. Just email me at scoop71@yahoo.com so you can get my address and to participate. So there'll be a link to the original video that kind of explains to you what it is. It's basically all the pieces that you need to put together a card, and then you'll get some different card kits back that you can go ahead and make at your leisure at baseball games or whatever, practices and so on. And I just thought it'd be something different and something fun to do, and also a good way to maybe get other types of supplies or see what other things people are using in their card making. So anyway, if you have any questions, please email me at scoop71@yahoo.com, or you can leave a comment below, but I just wanted to do a quick message about it. I am going to mark the original video as closed, but it is still open in terms of the fact that if you can get that kit to me, I'm not going to turn anyone away from participating. Anyone who does have a video and would like to do a little hop with me, and anyone who already emailed me, they're already in, then I will send a collab list to everyone before we do the hop, and then you just make your card on camera and link to the other people in the video. And it's a good way for people to be introduced to your channel. Thanks so much. Talk to you later.